Okay, and they have a survey maximum subarray, Leetcode number 53. Given an integer array, find the subarray with the largest sum and return its sum. Into you want to say amount array say, right? Amount minus 2, 1, minus 3, 4, minus 1, right? Into array say no. Yes, say numbers. We free array way more about the largest value, right? In fact, say be away to mark say oh mefa 50 habisi hanoma and no be the biggest number. And I say mefa 50 ha ABC ha, right? And the biggest number. And I say 50 ha ABC ha mekani na aboma and the biggest number, right? The easy way I to my family say over start to say, right? Over where now they are compare intini now what you compare now recorded, right? No as be far way. Now they are compare now they compare no as be far way now they are compare ni now will store some now when you know, right? Now for now they are compare now before now they are compare now will store some when you we are now pick say okay me any na maybe a 50 ha ABC ha no and when I had a big one, right? But another amount on O of n squared solution, right? Another approach is so I bet to make use of and it's a in front say we will create something like a global variable and a local variable, right? And see, they will both be equal to both the local and the global variables. No, we'll best start here free the first index, right? And as you proceed, no, can we go any back one, right? Now the idea go any no, I can't wait home. In this what they count one and remember your local sum now they are compare or global sum no. So switch out global sum now, right? Global sum will continue to be this number. You can find say we say no both global and local will start at -2. Yeah, the one count one we be +1 until we be -1. With -1 compare -2 -1 also change -2 into global and over -1, right? In this is here no local sum we need a -1. Yeah, the 3 will count, right? +3 plus -3 it have a -4. With the -4 compare -1 -1 is bigger than -4 into global sum no will continue to be -1 and so forth and so forth. By the time we do I say no na global sum no and I the biggest sum out of the arrays now what shall I say no into the array that will give you the biggest sum will be the global sum, right? Into yanko solve our Leetcode na yanhwe how a solution no ebeye, right? Yes, it's starting. Like I said, ebeye a global sum will be equal to local sum and then also be equal to the first number, which is 0. Right? Now for there you started for num in nums. Because here at the first one I'm local and global sum no homo no honey start here from you best start from 1 and then you call to the end, right? Into local sum will now be equal to the max of current number now yafan, right? And local sum plus our number, right? Into your final side near local sum. Now if local sum no is greater than the global sum, then now see a global sum will now be equal to local sum. At the end, by the time we do end, now when you sum of the biggest subarray, it's ever returning global sum. See, I just said, awesome. And yes, this is how you solve this question. Another thing that the person will point you out and say, there is an algorithm for this type of solution. I your friend Cadence algo. And see, if you read more about Cadence algorithm, it will help you understand how to solve a problem like this, right? It touches more on explaining more about using Cadence algorithm to solve maximum subarray problem. Yep. Thank you. Bye-bye.